Alright, so we're all set to rock and roll. We got a full tank of gas, plows hooked up, shovels are in the truck, ice melts in the truck, list is printed in the truck, so we're all set to go. Latest forecast now is the storm's going to come in late Saturday night and basically snow through the early morning on Sunday and end by daybreak. So it's going to be a fast mover, a lot of snow coming out real quick, going to make it real fun for us. So our plan right now is probably go to early morning hours on Sunday, start our commercials, and then once that's all set, snow's over, we'll start doing our driveways. Alright, good morning. It's Sunday morning, a little bit after 6. Sun's just starting to come up. Snow's starting to wind down. It's been snowing all night. Actually got a decent amount, about 3 or 4 inches of real heavy wet snow. So we'll be out all day today, Sunday, cleaning up. Gonna basically try to get as much footage as possible. We're gonna be rushing around trying to get everybody cleaned up because it's supposed to be real nice this afternoon. It's 11 o'clock, we're done, everything's cleaned up, everything went smooth, it's 40 degrees, everything's starting to melt, so that's it, storm's over.